In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact BDO customer service. Whether you have questions about your account, need to resolve an issue, or simply want more information about BDO services, knowing how to reach out effectively can save you a lot of time and ensure that you get the help you need as promptly as possible. First, let's prepare for the call or email. Essential information to have on hand includes your account number or card number, your registered name, and contact information. Additionally, be ready with a clear and concise description of your concern. This preparation helps verify your identity and allows BDO's tech support team to assist you more efficiently, reducing the time spent on back and forth exchanges. Once you're prepared, the next step is to visit BDO's official website, which you can access at bdo.com.ph. Navigating to the right place on a website can sometimes be challenging, but in this case, it's straightforward. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. There, you'll find various sections, and you should look for the one labeled Contact Us. At this point, BDO provides multiple ways to get in touch. If you're leaning towards a more direct approach, you can utilize their 24/7 hotline. If you're calling from Metro Manila, the number to dial is +632 888 8000. For domestic toll-free calls from landlines, you can use number 8888 000. If you're outside the Philippines and need to use the international toll-free option, dial your international access code followed by +808 call BDO or 2255 236. For those who prefer writing over talking, emailing BDO may be the best option. For general inquiries, send your email to callcenter@bdo.com.ph, ensuring you include all relevant details and your prepared description of the issue. If your concern relates to phishing or any security threats, it's important to report this promptly. You can do so by emailing reportfish@bdo.com.ph. Both the hotline and email options have their advantages. Calling can be faster and more efficient for urgent matters, allowing for real-time interaction. Emailing, on the other hand, is often convenient for non-urgent inquiries or situations where you need to provide detailed information or attachments for context. In conclusion, when contacting BDO customer service, being prepared and choosing the right method of communication according to your needs can significantly enhance your experience. Whether you choose to call or email, following these steps will ensure you receive the support you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating BDO's customer service options.